Hello everyone. So in this video we will be talking about modern day disease number 2. And you can also call this the disease of the rich people. So what is this called? This is called tobacco mentality. Now there is a reason why I call this tobacco mentality. So the reason is you must have seen people from villages or some other place, they are chewing tobacco. And many times you must have seen those kinds of people in parliament also and at various places also. They are extremely fucking rich. Like they are so rich, they can buy each and everything. But still they are chewing tobacco only. So this is called tobacco mentality. The thing is, these people, they have the money to purchase cigarettes, but they are still chewing tobacco, which is very harmful for you. Like if you compare tobacco versus cigarettes, so tobacco is way more harmful to you than compared to cigarettes. So this is just like an example, which you can apply at various places. So let me tell you different stories of what all I have seen firsthand. So like this was once I went to a friend's home with my father. Like they are a big family. उसके अंदर 4-5 भाई लोग रहते हैं and they stay at different floors and we were invited over there for lunch. So हम वहाँ पे lunch करने गए. As soon as I entered their home, घुसते ही घर खत्म हो गया. It was I think like a 500 square feet plot which had 5 floors and on every floor brother was living. All right. So brother used to live 5, 10, 20, 25, 30 साल पहले. अब वो उन भाइयों के बच्चे हो गए and उनके बच्चे हो गए बच्चों के भी बच्चे हो गए. So essentially एक floor पे ideally I think 7 to 8 people are living. Can you fucking imagine? In a 500 square feet plot, 7 to 8 people are living. Sometimes 10 also. So I was like, what is this place? I was completely blown away. फिर जब हम आए घर, so I was like कि हम वहाँ खाना खाने गए क्यों? So he told me that he had business with those people. That's why we went for the lunch over there. And he told me that every brother is fucking rich. Like each and every brother had a net worth of 10 to 15 crores. So can you see, like people who are that rich, still they are living like Dharavi people or whatever. It's very bad to see that. All right. Like ideally, I have seen engineers who are just earning 30 LPA, 20 LPA. Still they are living in rent, but they are living in better way than those people. So it was a very tremendous thing which I saw, which I witnessed firsthand. Now let me give you another example. So I have a friend, he earns 50 LPA per year. He is almost, जब वो 35 का था. So the story is when he was 35 or 36 years old. Okay, so he was still actively looking for marriages via arranged marriage, love marriage, whatever the thing is. He found a girl after searching for so long. Like उसको 2-3 साल लग गए. उसको एक लड़की थोड़ी ठीक ठाक पसंद आई, whatever the thing was. And उससे when he started talking, so then the girl openly mentioned her desires to him.
I would love for us to take one international trip together every year after marriage. I simply want to travel and create memories together.
Which is completely fair and square. उसके अंदर कोई दिक्कत की बात ही नहीं है. मतलब लड़की अपनी बता रही है कि these are the things which I want for my bare minimum thing. Okay. अब वो बस एक foreign trip सुन के.
I don't want to spend money on an international trip every year. Our priorities are different.
ये लड़का वहाँ से back off करके आ गया completely. Like he was not able to defend why that girl didn't work for him. He gave me plenty of reasons that yeah she passed all these check boxes. बस एक ये बात पे like one foreign trip a year it's just 2 lakh rupees. If you're going into Southeast Asia it's just 2 lakh rupees for 2 people max. So इतनी सी एक बात पे उसकी फट गई. उस बात पे he backed off completely. So this is what do you mean? Like तुम 50 लाख कमा रहे हो, तुम अपनी बीवी की इच्छाओं पे 2 लाख रुपए खर्च नहीं कर सकते. This is fucking stupid. I was like तेरे को तो कभी मिलेगी नहीं. अब उस बात को it has been 2 years, he has not found anyone close to her. So this is one another thing. Now let me tell you one another story of this friend only. So this friend is extremely कंजूस, right? Like इसके अंदर वो tobacco mentality कूट के भरी हुई है. Okay. So एक बार हम वहाँ गए थे अंधेरी स्टेशन and वहाँ से we had to go to some club. तो वहाँ से on that day it was raining, right? Like मतलब बारिश हो रही थी तो कोई भी ऑटो वाला हमको मीटर से नहीं ले जाता and the place was very close. Like I think by meter of 30 लग रहे हैं तो the ऑटो वाला was only asking 50 rupees. I was like यार चलते हैं, 20 रुपये तो ज़्यादा है, चलते हैं. बोलते हैं नहीं अपन नहीं जाएंगे भाई. वहाँ पे खड़े होके हम बारिश में गीले हो रहे हैं, शूज़ महंगे शूज़ ख़राब हो रहे हैं, कपड़े वाइट शर्ट सबकी ख़राब हो रही है, कीचड़ उड़ रहा है, ये हो रहा है वो उड़ रहा है. बोलता है नहीं अपन नहीं जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट द फक इज़ दिस. फिर एक ऑटो वाले को उसने बोला कि भैया चलो. बोलता है नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. बोलता है भैया मैं BMC को कंप्लेन करूँगा. ऑटो वाला बोलता है जा कर लेना. ऑटो वाला बोल के चला गया. Why you need to compromise at certain moments in life. If you're not compromising as per the requirement, और तुम अपने पैसे ही बचाते जा रहे हो, यू विल सफर मैसिव लॉसेस इन द फ्यूचर। तुम एक बार आज तुम पैसे थोड़े बचा लोगे, वो तुम्हारे पैसे आगे कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा निकल जाएंगे। तो बी एडजस्टेबल, ट्राई टू स्पेंड एट प्लेसेस। अब मैं अभी रिसेंटली पढ़ रहा था कि किसी लड़के की गाड़ी टो हो गई, ऑटो वो पुलिस वाले ने उससे मांगे 500 रुपये की, जस्ट पे मी 500 रुपीज़ एंड आई विल लीव योर कार। बोलता है नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं दूंगा, ले जाओ गाड़ी, जो करना है करो। फिर वो पुलिस वाला ले गया गाड़ी उसकी। अब नेक्स्ट डे उसके ऊपर आ रहा है 10,000 का चालान का बिल और उसके साथ साथ लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स अलग। सो ही कुड हैव जस्ट पेड सम मनी एंड ही कुड जस्ट हैव पास्ड इट ऑफ, करेक्ट। तो मत करो तुम पैसे खर्च, तुम कोई ना कोई आएगा जो तुमसे पैसे खर्च करवाएगा। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आई सीन फर्स्ट हैंड। अब मैं मेरे एक और ऑफिस कलीग की स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ। सो दैट गाय बाइज प्रोटीन फ्रॉम अमेजॉन एंड अमेजॉन हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ काउंटरफिट प्रोटीन्स। वो बस सस्ता देख के अमेजॉन से प्रोटीन ऑर्डर करता है। मैंने उसको एक दो बार समझाया कि भाई ये नकली प्रोटीन आ रहा है, इतना सस्ता नहीं आता है, फॉर ऑन मतलब ऑन कंपनी का हम खाते हैं। तो आई वॉज लाइक, बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं तेरे को नहीं पता ये वो वगैरह वगैरह, वो खा रहा है बढ़िया, तो अभी तो वो पैसे बचा रहा है। बट सूनर और लेटर व्हेन द काउंटरफिट मटेरियल स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग हिज बॉडी, स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग हिम, देन हॉस्पिटल बिल आएगा ही आएगा। Similarly for oil, like if you're using cheap oil in your daily cooking, then somewhere or the other it will affect you in the long run. So this oil thing is specifically for rich people, not comparing to the poor people. Because poor people are more active in the field, like they are constantly moving, working on things, sales, उधर से उधर जा रहे हैं, what many things they are doing. But the more richer you get, the more desk job you get, all right. So अगर तुम bad quality oil you are eating continuously, it will start affecting your body. तुम्हारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ेगा, many things will start happening to you. So these are the things which you need to focus on. You need to always keep spending on things which are improving you. Like they can improve you physically, they can improve you mentally, they can give you mental peace. और तुम सोच रहे हो कि अगर मैं इन सब चीज़ों पे पैसे खर्च कर रहा हूँ तो I am doing wrong. Then if you are not spending, then you are doing wrong. Yeah, so this is what I strongly think about tobacco mentality. And my mission is to take out this tobacco mentality problem from India. I will be making multiple videos on this thing consecutively in the future and we will be talking about that and then we will see how it goes. Because India में तो ये tobacco mentality की problem बहुत ज़्यादा है ही है भाई। लोग लाइन में खड़े हैं 2 घंटे 3 घंटे just to save 50 rupees। भाई तुम्हारी टाइम की वैल्यू नहीं है कुछ। Crazy bro, crazy. Cheers, bye.